Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Charles Schwab account to the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to go ahead and keep track of your finances and you bank with Charles Schwab. How do you actually go ahead and connect your Charles Schwab account to the NerdWallet app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the upper left-hand side, the three lines. Then click on Financial Info. From here, click on Linked Financial Institutions. Then click on Add Your First Account. Now, on this page here, it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. Accept those terms, then click on Continue as Guest. Next, scroll all the way down until you find the Charles Schwab icon. Click on Charles Schwab. And then on this page here, it's going to ask you to log into your Charles Schwab account. Now, once you log in, you just need to select which accounts you want to connect with the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Charles Schwab account to the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.